In Chapter 1, we will cover connecting your TV antenna, internet, HD television, and audio system to the Stream Plus. First, using an RG6 coaxial cable, connect your indoor or outdoor TV antenna to the RF in port on the back of the Stream Plus. For those who plan to use a hardline cable to connect their Stream Plus to the internet, the next step is to plug in an Ethernet cable from your modem or router to the Ethernet port on the back of the Stream Plus. Next, using a high-quality HDMI cable, connect one end to the HDMI port on the Stream Plus and the other end to an HDMI port on your television. Take note which port you used. For example, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, etc. If you have a soundbar or audio system that you would like to connect, use a SPDIF optical cable and connect one end to the SPDIF port on the back of the Stream Plus and connect the other end to the optical audio input port on your soundbar or audio receiver. Now, power on your television and ensure that it's on the input that matches the name of the port that you plug the HDMI cable into. Lastly, plug in the included power adapter to an available electrical wall outlet and the other end to the back of the Stream Plus. Your Stream Plus should start to boot up. You should see the Channel Master and Android logos appear on your screen before the Android TV Setup Wizard launches.